Hi friends, I'm Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech Guru. In today's video, I'll try to compare the three displays. One is from the Realme X7 Pro, one is the OnePlus 8T device, one is the Mi11 smartphone. So in this video, I'll try to play the same video in all the three smartphones, and I'll try to show you which display is the best in terms of the display resolution and in terms of the display properties and in the colors. On all these features, I'll try to test in complete this video, friends. And make sure to subscribe and stay tuned for more upcoming comparisons between all the three smartphones which I got right now. So first, let's go with the normal hardware specifications of each and every smartphone. So before starting the actual display comparison, so first let's start with the Realme X7 Pro. So this is a Realme X7 Pro, so which has the 6.55 inches of screen size, and the screen is of a Super AMOLED panel. So and which has a 120 Hz refresh rate in the display, as you can see. So that is the one advantage, and the 1080 resolution of the display. So these are the few things about the phone. And the next is a OnePlus 8T. So OnePlus 8T has got the same kind of 6.5 inches, same screen of the Realme phone, so same size and same refresh rate, so same resolution as well. So there is nothing much got change in terms of here, but there is one change which is called the screen calibration. So there's couple of things where you can adjust and tweak around the display color settings, so where you can change each and everything, as you can see. So where you got advanced settings in this OnePlus 8T device. So let's come to the Mi11. So Mi11 is kind of a premium end smartphone, friends. Trust me, in terms of the display, it's really good and very superistic features which is present here in this Mi11 particularly. I do like all the features which are present in this display section. The Mi11 has got the 2K resolution screen, so quad HD resolution, not the normal 1080. So you do get the option to change the resolution as well. So by default, you'll be getting the quad HD resolution, and you'll be getting the 120 Hz refresh rate. That's another good thing about this phone. And the screen size is of 6.8 inches screen size, so slightly bigger than the most of the other smartphones, you can see, in terms of the size, how it's big. And one more thing is that even though the screen is kind of big, but still the bezels are really slim and thin. So if you look from certain angle, even you won't be able to see the bezels as well. So that's what the good thing about this phone is. So display is the most interesting part. Not only that, there is a lot of other options which are available here, so where you can change the settings and tweak around the image color processing as well. So where there is a image enhancement and HDR enhancement and a lot of other options which is present here, which makes the watching videos really good experience in this Mi11. So on the hardware section, so in terms of the specifications, the Mi11 is the first priority smartphone, and next phone comes with the OnePlus 8T and the Realme X7 Pro device. So now we spoke about the details about the hardware, so let's begin the software test by comparing the video between all the phones. So I'm trying to use the default color temperature, so there is nothing got change in this Realme X1 Pro. And in the OnePlus 8T, I'm trying to use the advanced and AMOLED, as you can see, color gamut to give more saturation colors and look, as you can see. So I'm trying to make as the highest settings as possible in each and every smartphone. In the Mi11, you do have option of changing the, as you can see, HDR enhancement, and even there is a this mode, MC. So this is another mode which makes the watching videos really smooth experience. So these are a few modes which I did enable during this time, and this other super resolution. But right now in this test, I don't need any kind of super resolution, because the video which I'm going to play is actually 4K footage, so which doesn't require any kind of upscaling. So now let's begin the test. So right now you can see, friends, the test has been successfully begun, and you can see all the three smartphones are playing the same video, as you can see, with the full brightness. So these are with I'm trying to use the maximum brightness in all the smartphones, as you can see, friends, here. So overall the image looks completely good in all the phones, so without any issues. So one thing is that I'm trying to use the same ratio in all the smartphones, but in the Mi11, because of the quad HD resolution, so the settings kindly are slightly different, as you can see here. The cropping is not, the two phones are cropping more, not the Mi11. So because of the quad HD resolution, I think. So now let me try to show you the exact ratio what I'm trying to use. So this is the best fit. I'm trying to use the normal. This is a fit screen. So let me try to use the fit screen option in all the phones. As you can see. So now it must be a clear comparison between all the three smartphones, because the ratios are clear. So if you observe here, the Mi11 looks kind of really good, because which has got the curved display on the phone, and which the saturation is slightly higher than the other phones. So even you can see the skin tone, how it looks in all the three smartphones. So even if you take any smartphone, you won't be disappointing, friends, because all the three smartphones are really good in terms of the display colors. Even the Realme X8 Pro and the OnePlus 8T as well. But only thing is that the Mi 11 has got slightly advantage in terms of the having more detailed color options. So where you can select the colors. So which looks slightly more saturated on the Mi 11 side in terms of the watching videos. So which looks amazing in the Mi 11. So because of the Quad HD resolution as well, that's the one advantage. And it is a OnePlus 8T device. So you can compare OnePlus 8T versus the Mi 11 side by side. You can see the difference. So there's not much differences going on at the moment. But I can feel the Mi 11 has got slightly higher saturation levels when you compare all the three phones side by side. So now let me try to decrease the brightness in all the three smartphones. So let me try to decrease to 50%. So I kept the 50% Mi 11, and now it's time for the OnePlus 8T. I'm trying to keep exactly 50%. And the Realme X8 Pro, let me decrease to the 50%. So now all three smartphones are at exactly 50% of the brightness, and in this 50% you can see the Mi 11 is slightly brighter, so little bit brighter. As you can compare with the other two smartphones, you can feel the same little bit. And let me try to decrease the brightness to the 25%. So at 25%, the OnePlus 8T is not that noticeable, and even the Realme X8 Pro is not that noticeable. But you can see little bit of the Mi 11 video. You can see right now the difference, how it is. So this is the overall comparison, friends, between the displays of all these three smartphones, and the clear winner, the first point I'll try to give to the Mi 11 because of having the Quad HD resolution and very good curved edges. So which some of the users, they do like this kind of curve, some of the users, they don't like this kind of curve. And the next option I'll be giving to the OnePlus 8T device. The reason why I'm giving to the OnePlus 8T, because you do have very good customization over the control of the image processing, so which has advanced settings. So that is the reason where you do get slightly a better color output on the OnePlus 8T. So that is the reason why I'm giving the points for the OnePlus 8T as the second points. But overall, all the three smartphones are really good in terms of the performing the displays, as you can see. And all phones, they're having the same kind of punch hole location, as you can see, friends, clearly. And that's it, friends. This is a quick video, and thank you for watching this video. And don't forget to check the links in description for more details on this all the three smartphones. And see you in the next video, friends. Until then, bye.